Have you ever faced the challenge of converting complex data formats? It can be quite a headache, right? If you've been wondering how to generate a GraphQL schema from a Protobuf definition, you're in the right place. Today, we will explore how to tackle this issue effectively. I completely understand your frustration. Dealing with large and complex Protobuf definitions can feel overwhelming, especially when you need to convert them into a different format like GraphQL. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is there a way to generate a GraphQL schema from a Protobuf? They mentioned having a complex Protobuf definition and are looking for a convenient tool to automate this process. Sound familiar? Let's dive in and find a solution together. So what makes this conversion tricky? Protobuf and GraphQL serve different purposes and structures, which can complicate the transformation. Understanding the nuances of both formats will help us find the right tools and methods for this task. And stick around, I have a fantastic tool recommendation at the end that will make this process a breeze. To begin generating a GraphQL schema from a Protobuf definition, the user should first install the necessary tools. A popular choice is the Protobuf.js library, which can be installed via npm. Next, the user needs to create a JavaScript file where they will write the code to load the Protobuf definition. This file will also include the logic to convert the Protobuf types into a GraphQL schema. Now, the user should write the code to read the Protobuf file and generate the GraphQL schema. This involves using the Protobuf.js library to parse the Protobuf definition and then mapping the types to GraphQL types. After writing the conversion logic, the user should run the script to generate the GraphQL schema. This can be done by executing the JavaScript file in the turn terminal. Finally, the user can verify the generated GraphQL schema by using a GraphQL playground or an API testing tool. This will help ensure that the schema is correctly structured and functional. Fun fact, Protobuf was developed by Google and is used in many of their internal systems. It's a powerful tool, but converting it to GraphQL can feel like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution comes from a user who suggests using Rejoiner. This tool can generate a uniform GraphQL schema directly from Protobuf sources, including gRPC microservices. Now, let's see a response from a different user. An alternative solution comes from a user who suggests using a specific project that generates GraphQL schemas from Protobuf definitions. You can find this tool at the link provided. Here's the tool I promised. Protobuf to GraphQL is a game changer. It simplifies the process and saves you a ton of time. Give it a try and see how it works for you. And there you have it. You now have the tools to generate a GraphQL schema from your Protobuf definitions. Remember, exploring new tools can make your development process smoother. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.